Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today SPAI just filed a current report on Form 8K regarding a US Army order, and I am seeing a potential catalyst for growth. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing reveals a new contract with the US Army, and the revenue numbers, while not massive, are significant for a company of this size. This is a type of filing called a Form 8, which US public companies use to announce major events that shareholders should know about. Think of it as a notification for important news that is not quite a full quarterly report, but still matters. The company in question is Safe Pro Group Incorporated, and they've just announced a new order from the US Army. The main news here is under the section called Regulation FD Disclosure. This is basically where companies make sure everyone gets the same information at the same time, so no one has an unfair advantage. On the 2nd of June of 2026, Safe Pro Group put out a press release about an order they received from the US Army. This is the core of today's filing. Now, this part is a bit technical but important. The information in this section is being furnished, not filed. This means it is for informational purposes, and it generally won't be automatically included in other company filings, unless they specifically say so. It is a way to release information without triggering deeper regulatory requirements for that specific piece of data. And here is the number that really caught my eye. The total purchase price for this US Army order is approximately $743,000 for a company with a market cap of around $123 million. As we see in the recent news, that is a not insignificant chunk of business. This isn't just a small experimental order. It is a tangible contract. The actual press release detailing this order is included as Exhibit 99.1. This is where we'd find the finer points of what exactly the Army ordered. Based on external news, this is for an AI-powered threat analysis kit. Looking at the external context, Safe Pro Group Incorporated, ticker SPAI, is in the industrial sector. Specifically aerospace and defense, they have a market cap of about $123 million, and their stock price has been trading between roughly $2.39 and $9.16 over the past year. They are also a company with a very small employee count, around 15 people. This suggests they are likely a technology-focused firm, potentially relying heavily on partnerships or intellectual property rather than a large workforce. News headlines from the 2nd of June all point to this Army contract being a big deal. Stock Titan, Quiver Quantitative, Investing.com, and the Globe and Mail all reported on this $743,000 US Army order for an AI powered threat analysis kit, with some mentioning it even features Red Cat Black Widow drones, which hints at the sophisticated technology involved. This news clearly had an immediate positive impact on the stock. Safe Pro Group Incorporated has its common stock registered and traded on the Nasdaq stock market, LLC, under the symbol SPAI. This means it is a publicly traded company, subject to the rules and regulations of the Securities and Exchange Commission. The company has indicated that it is an emerging growth company. This status provides them with certain regulatory and financial reporting flexibilities, often allowing them to phase in new accounting standards over a longer period. This is common for smaller, newer public companies aiming to reduce compliance burdens as they grow. The filing is dated the 2nd of June 2026, which aligns with the press release date and the news coverage. This indicates the announcement and the official filing happened concurrently, providing timely information to investors. The report is signed by Daniel Erdberg, the Chief Executive Officer of Safe Pro Group Incorporated. This confirms the top leadership is aware of and approving of this filing and the news it contains. Now, on to the analysis. This contract, while a single event, is highly revealing for Safe Pro Group Incorporated. For a company with a market cap in the hundreds of millions, $743,000 is a solid win. It validates their technology, specifically their AI-powered threat analysis capabilities, in a demanding market, the US Army. This isn't just a sale, it is a stamp of approval. For a micro-cap company like this, landing a government contract, especially one involving advanced technology like AI and potentially drones, can be a significant catalyst. It opens doors to further opportunities within the Department of Defense and other government agencies. It also increases their credibility in the defense technology sector, which can attract additional investors and partners. We can look at this like a small seed planting. A $743,000 contract for a company this size could be the first of many. If they can fulfill this contract successfully, it builds a track record that is invaluable when bidding for larger defense contracts. Historically, companies that secure early government contracts, especially in high demand areas like defense technology and AI, often see a strong upward trajectory, provided they can scale their operations and continue to innovate. However, we must also consider the risks. A single contract, even a significant one, does not guarantee future success. The defense procurement process can be lengthy and bureaucratic, and competition is fierce. SafePro Group Incorporated will need to demonstrate its ability to deliver on this contract and potentially expand its offerings to secure follow. On business, the reliance of their business model on government contracts also introduces a degree of uncertainty tied to budget allocations and political shifts. The fact that they elected to be an emerging growth company also tells us they are likely focused on growth and reinvestment rather than immediate profitability. This means they might be spending heavily on research and development, sales, and expanding their operations to capture more market share. Investors in such companies should expect volatility and growth oriented strategies. My biggest concern is the scalability of their operations with only about 15 employees. How do they plan to fulfill this contract and potentially larger ones without significant investment or partnerships? The press release mentioning Red Cat Black Widow drones suggests potential collaboration, which could be a smart way to leverage external capabilities. What I am actually looking for is how this contract influences their next funding round or their ability to secure larger contracts. This initial win is critical for validation, and the market's reaction, as we saw on the 2nd of June, was positive. If they can build on this momentum, the potential for growth is considerable within the defense sector. And the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. Join our Discord community via the link in the description.